eyes are cute, but having panda eyes is not cute. If you sleep on your makeup or do not have a good sleep, we all know about the next morning's disaster. Puffy eyes, dark under eye bags will be some common things you will notice. However, these are not the only ones guilty for the occurrence of dark circles. There are many more aspects that come with the facts of why dark circles occur, and how can you treat them. So if you don't know why you have dark circles and how you can treat them, in this video, you will know all about dark circles. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Now, let's first know why you have dark circles, or why does a dark circle occur under the eyes? As we age, our stress and all the issues of our body show signs in the skin. Then there comes the genetic factors also. Due to different genetics, different people have different types of eye issues, like some ethnics and South Asians have hereditary hyperpigmentation. Again, other individuals have a history of puffy lower eyelids. So now you know there may be many issues related to why you have dark circles. But by maintaining some tips and tricks, you can reduce the visibility of dark circles. Some researchers prove that sleep deprivation has an effect on the skin. They also found that people who sleep only 4 hours have visible dark circles compared to those who have slept for 8 hours. This type of lack of sleep contributes to darker blood vessels, and it also results in fluid buildup under the eyes. The fluid buildup under the eye results in a dark shadow. Moreover, not getting enough sleep also increases stress, which can increase the dark circles. In order to keep your body hydrated, you should drink the proper amount of water. The water intake flushes out toxin from the body. As a result, we get healthy, clear skin. So to reduce dark circles and get healthy skin, drink 10 to 12 glasses of water regularly. Wearing sunscreen helps you avoid pigmentation. Wear those broad-spectrum sunscreens that give you both UVA and UVB protection till your lash line. Then for extra protection, you can wear sunglasses, but for reducing under-eye circles, sunscreen is a must. EltaMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46 is an oil-free sunscreen that calms and protects sensitive skin types. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and lactic acid, which promotes healthy skin. It's a very lightweight sunscreen which you can wear with makeup. A cold press helps in reducing and shrinking those dilated blood vessels. Now, if you could compress under your eyes, the appearance of the dark circles will reduce, and moreover, it will also depuff. Dermora 24 karat gold eye mask is a multitasking eye mask. It ends the dilemma under your eyes and brightens it. It has gold in it that fades away fine lines and plumps tired skin. You can keep the eye mask for some time in the freezer and then use it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, for the best results, use a Jade roller with the sheet mask. Use the Jade roller from MoValues 3-in-1 Jade roller and gua sha set. Keep the Jade roller in the freezer and use it to massage above the sheet. The 100% original Jade roller helps in lymphatic drainage and reduces puffiness. These Jade rollers are made up of only Dongling Jade from Brazil. Incorporating retinol products could be the best thing you could do to your dark circles. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Anti-Wrinkle 0.3 Retinol Lightweight Facial Oil is a retinol oil enriched with 0.3 retinol SA. Retinol SA is proven to give better results than another retinol. Moreover, you will see an improvement in your eye wrinkle in just 1 week. Retinol oil renews the look of the skin overnight. As a result, you will see less appearance of dark circles. It is said that applying cool tea bags can be beneficial, as tea contains caffeine and antioxidants which reduce puffiness and stimulate blood circulation. To apply tea bags, take a used tea bag and refrigerate and apply it to the eyes. It's best to use green tea as the caffeine of green tea even helps in tightening the eyes. Now, while you are treating the dark circles, you may want something that could not only reduce the appearance of the dark circles, but also work as a concealer. The Inkey List Brighten-i eye cream reduces the appearance of dark circles. It also works as an instant boost and as an ideal makeup base with its 1% mica mineral blend. It illuminates the under eye area and is 4 times more potent than vitamin C, and works in both the short and long term. These were the tips and tricks to reduce dark circles. Keep in mind that to minimize the appearance of the dark circles, you need to work with patience and have a healthy lifestyle. The more you stick and take care of the skin, the sooner you will see the results. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.